Did you know? Imagine a sneeze, but instead of a harmless puff of air, it's a supersonic wave of charged particles blasting out from the sun at millions of kilometers per hour. That's what happens when our star erupts with a coronal mass ejection, CME. These super sneezes can ripple through the heliosphere, creating a tsunami-like disturbance called a heliospheric shock wave. So, the next time you sneeze, remember, the sun does it too, and its cosmic sneeze can light up the edge of the solar system. Pretty unbelievable, right?